Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Soseki for joining us tonight for Atlantis 2022. A few things of note. We are rooted in Japanese. Soseki is cornerstone foundation. So with that, we will have some beautiful sushi this evening. We're also globally inspired. We're market-driven. We're hyper-seasonal. We get to work with a ton of great farms, families, artisans, friends local to us here in Orlando and throughout Central Florida. So we're going to take a trip around the world with some flavors and textures and temperatures, proposed dishes, ups and downs, lefts and rights and wrongs, but we righted the wrongs a few minutes ago. Everyone should be all right. We're touch interactive here. You'll notice a tab in front of you. If everyone pull the tab towards themselves, this will unveil our suggested silverware for the evening, along with another oshibori, which we'll get to a little later on in the experience. But feel free to use chopsticks or fingers for the entire experience. If we serve soup, go with a spoon, not a fork. Otherwise, you can kind of choose your own adventure. Some introductions for the evening. Bang Bang-san.
Hello.
Stone-san.
Hello.
Kevin-san.
Good evening.
Anthony-san.
Hello.
Chef Mike-san. Josh-san. Me-san. Call me Benjamin though if you need it. First bite will be up in just a few minutes. Cheers, everyone. Welcome to Soseki.
Monkfish liver. We salt cure this, and sake served with sun-shield pepper, ponzu, fresh wasabi, and micro wasabi grown here in Orlando. Enjoy.
One of our members had heard good things about it.
Another amazing dinner. The crew here at Soseki, thank you so much, gentlemen. Thoroughly impressed again. When I thought I couldn't be impressed again.
Absolutely.
Chef Michael, you guys, the whole team here is totally amazing.
Thank you so much.
It's incredible.
What is this? You guys just visited a few months ago. We completely changed the menu, over 18, 19 courses, as well as our beverage program. This is our first week. You guys are week 1 at Atlantis menu, our seafood focused menu. What did you think, Chef?
Oh, it was amazing.
Good?
Amazing.
Any favorites from tonight?
Akimo.
Ankimo!
Yes.
That was a one night only, don't ask for it. That was just for you. You liked it?
Yeah.
Chef Stone's amazing, absolutely.
Yeah.
All the fish is amazing.
You guys have something really special, the whole team here. Everyone is so important to this whole operation.
Absolutely.
And we're so privileged to be the guests again. Thank you so much to all of you guys. You know, you guys don't get enough recognition, every single one of you. But thank you, and we will be back for the next menu, for sure.
Absolutely.
All right?
Good.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.